In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a free VPN with Google Cloud using OpenVPN. Before we dive in, let's touch on a few important points. While Google Cloud does offer a free tier that includes one E2 micro instance or something similar with some complimentary usage each month, it's crucial to understand that even a free virtual machine might still incur costs. Network egress, which is outbound traffic, often comes with charges, and many users report that operating a VPN can lead to data transfer expenses. It's also worth noting that some marketplace VPN images allow up to 2 free concurrent connections under a free license, which can be quite handy for testing or light use. Always monitor both your usage and billing alerts to avoid unpleasant surprises. Now, on to option A, which involves using the OpenVPN access server via the Google Cloud Marketplace. This option is the simplest and most straightforward, providing you a graphical user interface and managed components for a smooth setup process. First, head over to the Google Cloud Marketplace and search for the OpenVPN access server. Once you've found it, click on either Launch or Deploy to start initiating the access server instance. During this deployment process, you'll need to select a machine type. Make sure to stick within the free tier parameters, like opting for an E2 micro instance or the smallest type allowed. Next, you'll need to configure the networking aspects. Assign a static external IP address to ensure that your VPN's IP doesn't fluctuate. Additionally, double-check that your firewall and network rules are set to allow VPN ports, as OpenVPN typically uses TCP UDP port 1194 by default. Once your server is launched, the marketplace will provide you with several essential components. You'll receive the admin web UI URL, a default username, and a temporary password. These are crucial for managing your VPN. You'll also get the site or client URL where users can download .ovpn profiles, which they'll need to connect. Visit the admin web UI to change that default admin password, a crucial step for security. From this interface, you can also configure the VPN settings, such as determining user access, setting allowed networks, and managing routing through the UI. After configuring your VPN, download the client.ovpn file or files. These will need to be imported into your OpenVPN client on your devices, whether that's your phone or PC, to successfully establish a connection. This method offers you a graphical interface that simplifies user management and provides a robust and reliable setup with minimal fuss. By following these steps, you can effectively create a VPN solution that is both accessible and practical, all while keeping an eye on the cost to make sure you're staying on budget.